morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you are all safe. Today we are going to study Sanskrit Standard 7 chapter number 9. Amlama Draksha Phalam. Amlama that means short. Draksha Phalam that means grapes. The grapes are sour. This is a story of a fox. A fox is suffering from hunger and thirst in the forest. One day he sees a creeper of grapes. His mouth waters. He jumped to take the grapes, but he could not reach the bunch of the grapes. He jumped often and then gets tired. At last, when he tired and then can't get the grapes, then he says, the grapes are sour, and he runs away. So this is a story of how grapes are sour. Ekah Srungalah. Ekah that means one. Srungalah that means fox. There is a fox. Ekah Srungalah Vanama Gachati. Vanama that means forest. Gachati that means goes. The fox goes to the forest. Saha Vanam Gachati. That means he goes to the forest. Pipasa Tasya Bubhuksha. Pipasa that means thirsty. Bubhuksha that means hungry. He is thirsty and hungry. Pipasaya Bubhukshaya Vanam Gachati. He goes to the forest because he is hungry and thirsty. Saha Vanam Gachati. He goes to the forest. You can see in this picture there is a forest. In the forest there is a fox and there is a bunches of some grapes. किम च करोति सः किम च करोति वामत पश्यति दक्षिणत पश्यति अग्रत पश्यति पृष्ठत पश्यति स्वेद जायते तृषा जायते. And what does he do? किम च करोति that means what does he do? Vamat pashyati that means left. He looks at left. Dakshinatah pashyati that means he looks at right. Dakshinatah that means right. Vamatah that means left. Agrat pashyati that means he looks before. Prishtata pashyati that means he looks behind. Agratah that means behind. That means in front. Prishtata that means behind. He looks before and he looks behind. Sweda that means sweat. जायते तृषा जायते. ही स्वेट्स. ही गेट्स थ्रस्टी और वो थ्रस्टी हो जाता है. इत गच्छति किमपि न लभते तत् गच्छति किमपि न लभते. श्रांत जायते खिन्नत जायते. इत गच्छति that means he goes here. किमपि न लभते that means he does not get anything. लभते that means not get. Kimapi that means not get anything. Here kimapi na labhate that means he does not get anything. Ita gachati that means he goes here. Kimapa na labhate that means he does not get anything. Tata gachati that means he goes there. Itaha that means here. Tataha that means there. Kimapa na labhate that means he does not get anything. Shrant jayate khinna jayate. He gets tired, he becomes sad. Khinat jayate that means he becomes sad and sranta jayate that means he gets tired. Kim cha pashyati pashyati drakshalatam sapashyati drakshaphalam upari latashu drishyate cha tataphalah. Kim cha pashyati that means and what does he see? Pashyati that means see. And what does he see? Pashyati drakshalatam. He sees a creeper of grapes. Draksha that means grapes. Latam that means creeper. Sapashyati drakshaphalam. He sees grapes. Upari latasu. He sees fruit grapes on the On and on creepers drashyate tat phalam. Phalam, that means fruit, the fruit of grapes. He sees grapes, he sees fruit, the grapes on and on creeper. Upari upari, that means on and on. अनुक्षणं तन्मुखे रसजायते किम च करोति स किम च करोति एकवारम् उत्पतति द्विवारम् उत्पतति त्रिवारम् उत्पतति पुनः पुनः उत्पतति स्वेद जायते श्रम जायते लभते न द्राक्षाफलम् अनुक्षणं तन्मुखे रस जायते दैट मीन्स हिज माउथ वाटर्स द नेक्स्ट मूवमेंट हिज माउथ वाटर्स वो ड्राफ्ट्स को देख के यानी कि ग्रेप्स को देख के उसके मुंह में पानी आ जाता है किमच करोति स किमच करोति व्हाट एंड व्हाट डज ही डू एक वारम उत्पतति द्विवारम उत्पतति उत्पतति दैट मीन्स जम्प्स एक वारम दैट मीन्स वंस द्विवारम दैट मीन्स ट्वाइस ही जम्प्स वंस ट्वाइस थ्राइस एंड अगेन He jumps once, he jumps twice, he jumps thrice. त्रिवारं उत्पतति पुनः पुनः उत्पतति. He jumps again and again. पुनः पुनः that means again and again. स्वेद जायते श्रम जायते. He sweats. He gets tired. श्रम जायते that means he gets tired. लभते न द्राक्षाफलम. He does not get grapes. Labhate, that means get. Na, that means not. Drakshaphalam, that means grapes. He does not get grapes. Kimach kathyasi च किमच कथ्यसि आम्लफल द्राक्षाफलम् इत्वेत कथ्यति पलायते इत्वेत कथ्यति पलायते किमच कथ्यति that means say. Pashyati, that means see. Kathyati, that means say. And what does he say? And what does he say? He says, the grapes are sour. The grapes are sour. And he runs away. He says in this way and then runs away. Ityeva kathyati palayati. Ityeva, that means he says in this way. Palayati, that means runs away. When he does not take the grapes, then he says that grapes are sour and then runs away. Now this is a glossary words you have to write down in your notebook. Clear? Now let's call for it a day. Hope you are enjoy and as well as understand this poem very well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me and don't forget to complete your workbook. Okay, thank you.